Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here on the LiuGong stand. And James, we're talking again this time about something really cool. It's a pink machine. It's not the yellow, it's not even the green, not electric, but it is diesel. But the key thing about this pink machine is it's got Leica Geosystems 3D machine control on it. But this is a cultural element as well, celebrating the culture of where this machine's made, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly, Peter. Firstly, welcome to our stand. And secondly, doesn't it look beautiful in pink?
Absolutely, especially in the sunshine.
So we decided to do this machine in pink because at this time of year in our home city of Liuzhou, which is in Guangxi in China, we've got beautiful flowers that are blossoming
Yep.
for spring. And we thought we'd bring a little bit of Liuzhou here to Munich to show a little bit about our culture and where we're from and show the world a little bit more about LiuGong.
Fantastic, and I think the big news that has come out was announced at the show at Bauma is you've now got a factory fit relationship with Leica Geosystems. Why is that important to you? And again, you're focusing on excavators.
So the reason it's really important to us is because we've got a clear application focus at LiuGong. And we've listened to what our customers have wanted, and they need that 3D integration with our machines. So what we've done is we've partnered with Leica to provide factory kits to aid the fitment of these 3D kits locally in the market.
And so what's really important about that, folks, is then that's warranty as well, isn't it?
Exactly.
That comes with the machine.
Exactly.
And it's about the manufacturing process with the harnesses and the wiring looms and stuff that can integrate through with the engineering teams talking to each other, isn't it?
Yeah, so you're right. We can completely optimize the installation for the machine, and that means that we don't have a negative impact on the warranty, and ultimately we can get the machines to the customers much quicker.
So they're literally like already, all you need to do is put the mushrooms, as I call them, and the tablet inside and switch it on, I guess.
So the main thing on this, Peter, is the harnesses, etc. So
Yeah.
It means we haven't got to be drilling through the cabin and having a negative impact on noise and air ingress, etc. So the key thing here is our harnesses.
And of course, James, we spent the last time talking in Ireland with a very big green machine, first in Ireland, one of your electric machines. It's not just machine control for diesel anymore, particularly as you grow your range. And also, your things like tunneling machines are coming through as well on the excavator range, and long reach. All important when you've got machine control for that precision, isn't it?
Definitely, definitely. And LiuGong listens, and we're going to continue to integrate Leica from the factory as we move forward with the range.
And we're just continuing to enjoy the pinkness surrounded by the yellow and green. Great to see you today.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Cheers.